We start this afternoon with the demand for COVID vaccines as the Omicron variant is spreading across the U.S. MSNBC anchor Lindsay Reiser is at a private pharmacy in Trenton, New Jersey that's expanding its hours to accommodate all the people who want COVID shots. So, Lindsay, hit us with it. With all that demand, how difficult is it to get a COVID shot there? What are you hearing from pharmacists?
Hey, Allison. So we're seeing this nationally. More people are wanting to get shots, both boosters and first-time shots. And we're also seeing that on a local level. You mentioned that I'm in Trenton, New Jersey. That's in Mercer County. We're going to put up a graphic right now showing you right now where everybody stands. So right now, about 71% of the U.S. population, all ages, have at least one shot. New Jersey, that is higher than the national average. And then here in Mercer County, it's a little lower than the state average, but again, higher than that national average. Now, for people who are looking to get those appointments, it kind of depends. Today, it's been pretty steady, but they've actually been surprised that it isn't as busy as it has been. For example, Friday, they gave out about 300 doses. That's twice what they normally do. I spoke to another health clinic here in Trenton, and they also told me that last week they had an hour wait. So let's go ahead and listen to the pharmacist here at Medical Home Pharmacy about this uptick.
Usually Saturday we didn't give the vaccination because the pharmacy hours are limited and our vaccinator has to be rested. But we saw so many kids, especially for kids, we decided to open because we also go to some government events and try to help them. The kids doesn't want to get vaccine without their parents, school events. So we decided to go to open the pharmacy Saturday and Sunday so the parents can come and the kids can get their vaccine with the parents.
Yeah, so you just heard they are now expanding, staying open Saturdays and Sundays so that they can accommodate all these people who want shots, Allison.
So, Lindsay, are people coming in for their first shots? Is this a booster crowd? Do we have a sense of what it is that they need?
It's mostly boosters that are driving this demand, Allison. Anecdotally, that health clinic I told you about, Henry J. Austin, they're seeing about 2/3 of the shots boosters here. The pharmacist told me it's about 80%. But we also want to put up a graphic nationally that kind of shows what the trend is. We know that the rolling 7-day average is up 30% week to week. We're also seeing on a national level, it's boosters that are driving it. Let's go ahead and listen to the chief medical officer for the Henry J. Austin Health Clinic.
We've been seeing a big mix, a significant increase in boosters, but also still some people coming in for first doses, children, both age 12 to 18 and also 5 to 11. That has significantly increased in the sense that about a month and a half ago, we were seeing maybe 15 to 20 vaccines in the 3 hours that we'd be at a standing location. And now we're seeing up to 100 or more at a time.
So the advice right now is be patient, be persistent. If you're looking for an appointment, all of these pharmacies are beefing up security. They are extending hours to try and accommodate everybody, Allison.
Lindsay, let's talk about this new Omicron variant. I understand you have a case there in New Jersey. What do you know about it?
Yeah, the first New Jersey case just confirmed yesterday. A woman from Georgia traveling to the state. She also had recently traveled to South Africa. She tested positive, and this is one of the reasons, one of the driving factors, Allison, that we're seeing and why people want shots. It's concerns over Omicron, it's employee mandates, it's booster eligibility expansion. It's some people are saying that they're not as hesitant as they were before. So it's a number of reasons, multifaceted, what's driving this demand, Allison.
Yeah, more incentives than ever to go and get that shot. Lindsay, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.